Olive Hospital, devoted to saving lives. कहते हैं उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है, पर कभी सोचा है आखिर ऐसा भी क्या है इस उम्मीद में? उम्मीद से पहले आता है भरोसा, और भरोसा बनता है सच्चाई की बुनियाद पे। ऑलिव हॉस्पिटल में हम इन्हीं 3 उसूलों पर टिके हुए हैं: उम्मीद, भरोसा और सच्चाई। पेशेंट्स मन में एक उम्मीद लिए आते हैं, वो हम पे, हमारी काबिलियत पे भरोसा जताते हैं, और हम हर कदम बस सच्चाई से पेश आते हैं। कुछ इस तरह हर पेशेंट के अंदर छुपे इंसान से मिल पाते हैं। शायद यही वजह है कि बीते 15 सालों में हर दिन हम बस आगे बढ़ते रहे।
We are happy that you all have a very good doctors who are committed for the patients. As always, we discuss the patients are more important than anything else. I also always tell my staff, my doctors and other people, when the patient is coming, he's not coming happily to the hospital. He's coming with some pain, with some problem. So the first thing what he needs, a doctor should attend him and give him the proper answer so that he should go in happily. So that way we started.
So at Olive Hospital, we really try to understand the psychology of the patients, as we know that they are suffering from the diseases, they are really worried. So we need to really sit with them. We spend lots of time with these patients, counsel them that, look, nothing wrong is going to happen to you. You'll be all right. We'll take care of your health, both physical, mental, psychological. So once we counsel them, I think they really feel better, and the outcome will also going to be different in people who are having less anxiety, less fear than people who are really worried about the disease, the nature of illness and the clinical outcome of their disease.
हर साल पिछले साल से ज्यादा पेशेंट्स की खिदमत करते रहे हैं, बड़े और बेहतर बनते गए हैं, जितना हो सका खिदमत करते रहे हैं। हाँ, लेकिन हमने कभी खिदमत को समझौतों से नहीं जोड़ा। ऑलिव हॉस्पिटल में आपको तजुर्बेकार, काबिल, वेल क्वालिफाइड डॉक्टर्स और पुरअज़्म मेडिकल स्टाफ मिलते हैं। ऑलिव हॉस्पिटल तमाम सहूलतों और बेहतरीन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से भरपूर है। हम कॉम्प्लेक्स सर्जरीज में भी आगे रहे हैं और मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट्स में भी अपना लोहा मनवाया है।
I head the emergency medicine department of Olive Hospital with my team of very trained and qualified emergency physicians who are available here round the clock. One of these 4 senior emergency physicians would be available in the emergency medicine department round the clock, whether it be a public holiday or a Sunday or any festival like Diwali, Eid.
We operate all adult and pediatric cardiac surgeries, from most complicated to the most simplest ones, and we give the best outcomes. Our focus has always been delivering the best outcomes for the patients.
खैर, ये तो हुई हमारी बात। आइए अब आपकी बात करते हैं।
Earlier to my mother, my father-in-law also was admitted in Olive Hospital and he had recovered well. So that was one of the reasons why we brought.
మేమైతే ఆరోగ్యశ్రీ కార్డు నడుస్తుందనే గరీబోళ్ళమని ఇళ్ళకి వచ్చినాం. మంచిగా చూసుకోరు సిస్టర్లు, డాక్టర్లు, నర్సులు. మంచిగా అనిపించింది. ఏం పైసలు అయితే మేము కట్టలేం.
जब आप ऑलिव हॉस्पिटल को चुनते हैं, आप न केवल मेहनत से कमाया हुआ अपना पैसा बचाते हैं, बल्कि एक नया रिश्ता भी बनाते हैं। रिश्ता जो हमारी ही तरह उन 3 उसूलों पे बनता है: उम्मीद, भरोसा और सच्चाई।
Give patients an opportunity to experience quality healthcare at a reasonable price and enhance their experience through a moral and ethical and patient-centric approach.
We are really lucky to have a very good doctors and the supporting staff, the nursing and all that, who are with us from last 15 years. Whatever target we had, we have achieved that. Whether you need it or not, you should get admitted, but Olive, we never did that.
वादा है आपको समझने का, समझाने का, हर उलझन को सुलझाने का सफर यूं ही चलता रहेगा। Olive Hospital, devoted to saving lives.